Hello, my name is Christian Jacko, and I'm running an AI automation agency called Context Solutions, where we help our clients convert more leads using AI. Now here, this is a system that is made for that, and what it allows is when you send out, for example, a cold email campaign, it allows to respond to every single person that you have sent an email to respond automatically to their emails, and so to book a following up call with them. So pretty much appointment setting automated using email. So let's just dive right into it. Here you can see we've got a make.com flow, which looks just like this. Then we've got a database to track every single of our leads, plus previous emails and segmentation. So they're what we're contacting them for, like who that person is. Then to test it out, I'm gonna be using Gmail to send myself an email so I can actually see that it working in action. So how exactly does this work, right? Here on Make, you can see it starts with Gmail. So we watch first if there's a new email incoming, right? Then we match it with the Airtable database right here to see if the email is the correct one. So here in search records, we're gonna input a formula, which is if the email of the person, we're gonna retrieve all of the rows right here. If the email of the person is the email we just received, so if it's a person that has been already contacted, because on a different system, you could imagine, right? Every single lead we send an email to will be added to this list right here. So this list right here is all of the leads we have, right? So this, imagine like being a big lead list. And so if one of those leads reply, that means they've seen our email and send us an email. So following up, so we check if that's the correct email of a person that already contacted us. Then what we're gonna do right here is if there's multiple, right? Or we're gonna just check right here if there is an email. Because if it returns nothing, then the iterator will not then pursue, right? And if there is an email, it will pursue. And if there is multiple emails, it will go one by one on them. So every single one get replied to. So now what we're gonna do is generate a email subject, right? I'm just using an assistant here, Context Solutions assistant, that understands what we're doing in Context Solutions, so we can just reply to an email, right? So this is an email from the user, text content, so from the email, and we ask it to respond to the email by an email. So we just ask it to generate an email subject, then we ask it to generate an email body with some other stuff. So we've got more info about the user, so the name, field of specialization, so that's the segmentation we're going to be using, and previous emails. Now the previous emails is especially for the context of it. If we send a first email, that directly would get updated on the database. Then follow-up emails, so responses from the clients, from the leads, and then responses from the AI will get added onto the list. So the AI understands the entire conversation, so it can reply with the convenient context. So we ask it to respond to the email, and we also give it the subject line so it understands what exactly is the email it's writing. Then it's sending the email to the recipient that sent us an email, and then we update the records on the Airtable, as in putting here on previous emails the emails we just received from the lead, plus the response of ChatGPT. So this is exactly how it works. Now let me just run you through it live so you can see exactly the kind of results it gets. So first of all, right, because this is supposed to only respond to people, right, who have already sent you an email. So let me just send it. Here we have the email, my email address, Christian@Jacko0505. Let me, from a different email address, then send myself an email to the inbox, which is connected to this make.com flow. So you can see that it doesn't get filtered through, and so there is no reply. So this is my email that is connected to make. I'm gonna do just a test right here. You're gonna see that this doesn't get caught by the system, it gets filtered out. There we go, we've got the new email right here. Now we're gonna run this flow. Now the email would get a notification, right? It will get scanned, but will not go through for the actual reply. Right, so here you can see it detected 7 emails on my email inbox since the last time I run this entire system. And here we have the email address I'm exactly using right now. And as you can see right here, it doesn't get it filtered through the iterator because it's not the email of any emails that we have on the database. So now let me, from this email, which is the correct one, let me write myself an email so you can see the actual reply. So we're gonna ask just, hey, what do you guys offer? Something simple. There we go. So we received it. Let me run this flow. And here you can see it passed through, and now ChatGPT is making a reply. There you go. So here you can see we have a reply on that inbox, and here we have a pretty much I leave you to read it by yourself, but this is pretty much what we do, describe A to Z, right? And here you can see on the database directly, we've got a previous email sequence. So this is the prospect, hey, what do you guys offer? That's the email I just wrote, and here is the response of the AI. So that being said, as you can see, for example, right here, I've got my Calendly link right here for a discovery call. So you can book directly calls, you can book directly appointments, you can even make sales through the system automatically by leads responding to your emails. So that would be pretty much it. If you would be interested in something like that made for you, simply put, what you can do is go to the description, go to our website right there, and you can schedule a call with us, and we'll speak exactly about your needs and how we can help you out. So that being said, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see each other in the next video.